Symfonos3. Let's see. Let's go ahead and start off with our mmap scan, right? mmap tac SN 100024. And he's on the wrong port, isn't he? I feel like that's gonna happen all night. I feel like that's just gonna be the thing for today. Let's try it one more time. One more time. I'm gonna look up how to get uptime to work. How to get uptime to work on Twitch. Alright, Symfonos3 should be running now. Alright, 100035. Let's go ahead and map that guy. And let me go ahead and get this guy. We got another FTP server up again. Symfonos3. Map. Looks like we got HTTP, FTP, and SSH up and running. Okay, let's go ahead and do a mmap tac P on port 80 first for 35. mmap tac P 21 on 100035. You know what I haven't been doing? Well, we haven't had SSH really up either. 1.3.5B. I don't think that one's anything wrong with that one. Source exploit pro FTPD. Yeah, nothing with B in here. Okay. So he learned from the last one, it looks like. He upgraded to the next one. Went to B. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and see if we... Doesn't look like we have anonymous login on this one either. Things are changing. Times are changing for this guy. He is starting to lock stuff down. Let's go ahead and head over to port 80 then. For 100035. Can you bust the underworld? I do like the movie. Let's go ahead and go Buster. I feel like, can you bust the underworld? You know, something like that maybe. Go Buster. I don't know. Maybe I'm just going too far with this. Gate. All right. Let me go ahead and do a little. FTP was not anonymous. And was not vulnerable. Okay. HTTP. Port 80, we get this guy right here, right? You do for Linux, obviously doesn't work because it's not anonymous. Just want to test it out just in case. You never know. You know, you never know. You never know what's going to happen in the world today. And we'll go ahead and go over into /gate. Try that. Okay. Maybe I should do recursive. So let's go ahead and do a go Buster, boom, boom for /gate. Nothing. Let's go ahead and try it with dirbuster 2.3 medium.txt. Okay, we got more. Okay. We got Cerebus. 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 Not Cerebus. Oh, what's going on YouTube? Let's see here. Jay's 2 cents. Something about fans. Okay. E-learn security. Are there ever discounts on ECPPT version 2? Not really. I don't think so. They have discounts on their, like, what is it? Their subscription. But I never really seen it for just straight up the test. We're just going to go recursive. I'm going to show that, hey, we got some more in here. After 2.3 medium.txt, we got some more stuff in here. And let's go ahead and check that one out. Nothing yet, so I'm going to go with there's probably more in here, huh? It's probably going to keep going deeper, 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 deeper. No, it's not. Huh. That's very, very strange. So, Goldbuster isn't finding anything else. We found Gate and Cerebus so far, right? Let's start back from the beginning again, and we're going to use... I got an idea. Let's try to use 2.3 medium. Maybe that was just... We'll do a recursive lookup for that. There's Gate again. Let's try something like this. I think so. So Gate's done. Server says that's 403. So try hack me where there's something in the CGI bin. And this also. Okay, so after this, it still didn't find anything. We looked at CGI bin and we found the following. So in CGI bin we have /underworld. There's try hack me where you look at CGI bin, it's like, good job at looking here. Like, oh, thanks. You're going to be ready in 45 minutes. Hey, you know, I actually might. We're getting, I mean, we found Underworld. And it asked us if we could crack the Underworld. Does this continue to go? Oh, that continues to go. That's calling from somewhere. So that's making a call to something. And we can get CGI bin. So, DZ, if we can get CGI bin, and it's making a call, should we just use Metasploit? Should we use Metasploit so I can be ready in 45 minutes? Put it in the user agent. That's where we put it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that. Let's go ahead and intercept the request. We'll throw in the user agent. Well, hopefully King of the Hill is stabilized, because a lot of times that starts acting like real wonky too. So let's go ahead and start a burp. Burp. Let's take print screen of this like right here. Oh crap, I did not want to click update now. Start burp, and then we'll do a and then we'll just kind of do a little refresh here. Proxy, send a repeater, but we want to change out the user agent right to be a reverse shell, correct? I wonder if this thing has been SH or TAC E on here. We'll try it like that first. And we're 10.00.30. He said it's port 1337, so we'll try that. And let's go ahead and send that off. Router sent request to the server could not understand. Ah, shit, fuck. But it might be because of that TAC E, like right there. Can I just do like a ID or something like that? Should I be able to see something? Can't we put it at the very end, like right here? Can we do something like that? Something like that? No. Well, that's not the right address anyways. Might be because that cat TAC E isn't on there. Could be... might be able to, I mean, we can use Metasploit, I think, with it, with the CGI stuff or whatever, right? Can we do it? We can do it like that, right? Maybe just throw a bash reverse shell at it. Maybe it's the netcat thing. Maybe netcat's what's messing it up. Try netcat or a bash reverse shell. Let's go and throw that into here. We're already listed on 1337, so we'll stay like that because we're elite. That was a joke. So we grab this. We'll head on over into our guy over here. We should need that whole thing. We should need that whole user agent that we had before. So we should need all this crap. I think we need all of that, like right there. And then from there, I think we need our bash reverse shell. I believe. It should just be like that. Slash bin bash reverse shell. It should be slash bin bash, right? Because we're going to be calling for that. Then the command, right? Like to execute this command. And then we should be able to do this guy right here. And we want to execute him with quotation marks around him. Let's send that off. That's hanging. Let's go! We got a call back. Okay, there's that. Now, Prevesc, I guess. Oh god, I hope we don't have to do some crap like we did last time at port 40 and did that again. Okay. Just seems strange to me, that's all. Okay. Let's go ahead and do scripts SUID lookup. Go ahead and grab that. Nothing in there. It's time to throw limpies on there, maybe? Maybe do something with limpies. We'll try that. cd/temp. See if we have any weird permissions. And we'll go ahead and do a wget http 10.0030/limpies.sh. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a change mode plus x limpies.sh period slash period slash limpies.sh. Have you tried restarting your router, DZ? Have you tried turning it off and turning it back on again? Says the internet's been wonky. For anything that's red and gold, red and yellow, whatever you want to call it, nothing. Man, don't you tell me we got to do something super strange again. Nothing there. Well, we already are Cerebus, aren't we? Is that what we came in as? Was him? User sbin TCP dump. Read files belonging to root and readable IB, but not world readable. User sbin TCP dump. We have to do something with TCP dump? Like, we have to like capture packets in this fucker? What in the hell? Okay, let's try it. We got TCP dump, which means that should be part of the PCAP group. And I sure as fuck am. Okay. Ran limpies and saw this. We can TCP dump. We should be part of the PCAP group, and we are. That is freaking going to be straight. Okay, so we obviously want to do this from the local host, right? The local interface, right? For a TCP dump. This one's going to be weird. I mean, I'd rather do this in all honesty than what we just did last time, although I think the website is just wonky. Sharma, how you doing? We've been doing stuff for like a little bit now. We're on about 4 hours or so. TCP dump. TAC-I, local interface, right? And do we just wait? Like, is this just gonna... This is like cron dropper. I'll wait a couple minutes, see what happens. Because we're part of the PCAP group. We can do TCP dump. I've never seen that one before. That's a new one for me. I mean, I've seen it. I've done TCP dump before, but I've never seen that in like a capture the flag kind of thing. That is new. That is strange. User bin TCP dump, and belongs to root and readable I need, but not world readable. So that means Hades can't read it. I'm wondering if there's like a cron job runner or something like that. There's got to be. There's got to be like a cron job running. It might be in cron tab technique, so we might not be able to see it, but there's got to be something running to where there has to be. There has to be something running here. Because why else would we be able to TCP dump something? Okay. Okay, we do have something here. That's the very first thing that points out to me is that password like right there in the FTP server. Or if he's using it also for SSH, password reuse, right? And the only user Hades pass, okay. Okay. Can we save that into a, oh, well, fuck it, who cares? SSH into Hades at 10.00. What was I even on? What's the IP address of this thing? Hoof McGee. Know where to find it though. 10.00. Oh my god, I didn't say the IP address on there, really? 35. 10.00.35. And we have a password. Where the hell did it go? Where'd you go, password? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd it go? There it is. Password reuse again. Alright, so we got that. That's freaking crazy, like right there, huh? So we see all this. That is a new one for that's pretty cool. I like that. That is pretty freaking cool, like right there. No, I want to do you. Did a TCP dump with TCP dump attack I hello for local interface. This took a minute or so, but we get page password. Okay, let's go ahead and make my little user pass.txt folder or file. Cat. Why am I catting anything? Nano user pass.txt, and we have Hades, and we have whatever the heck this is. And then we SSH as him, huh? And that worked. And now we have his password, so let's go ahead and do a sudo attack L. See if we're running anything on here. Nope. Well, I can't. At least, I mean, I have no idea, but I can't look at it. He has the same things as the other guy. We got the upload limpies again. CD and temp. Seems like I'm on a different. Does. What's up? DOAS? What's that? DOAS? It seems like on a totally different machine, doesn't it? Because I literally was just in temp, just uploaded this. Okay, let's see what Limpies. If Limpies tells us anything, we'll find out. And we'll see. Scroll through it quickly, try to see if we have anything that's running gold in here. There's that damn TCP dump. That was weird. That was pretty cool. Nothing yet for red and yellow at least. ID, just, oh, whoops. Sorry, I'll stop. Sorry, Limpies. My fault. Oh, that's exactly what I want to look at actually was the groups. Interesting group writable files, not at home, max 500. And we can write, you can write even more files inside the last directory at Python. Site customize.py? Is that like a thing? That site, whatever that pi. Okay, we're part of the God's group. So, yeah, part of God's, which is not a group that's normal. Let's go ahead and FTP maybe. Can we FTP in this guy? Yep, we can, okay. Oh, we can move around this file system also. I'm going to show you that it is a file system right there. So see if I can just hop into it. All right. So we're part of gods, huh? So what can gods do? So we'd be able to look up just like what a group can do. I think there actually is actually. Group. But I want to make the group gods, right? Okay, so we can mess with Python a lot of Python. Or if anything in here is running as root. Nothing like that. I like that site customize.py. Not doing anything. So I don't know what else we can actually mess with. We have all this Python that we can mess with, right? I didn't see anything over here in FTP. This is when I'm right back to myself. You know what I'm saying? So I don't see anything in there. email Huh. Not seeing shit in here. I mean, we can mess with Python. We know that much. We can write even more files in the etc Python 2.7 directory. Does that really matter? If we write them, that's not going to matter at all. Yeah, it's a vape. Trying to quit smoking. Huh. I don't know what the heck to do. We got in here. We got all the way up to Hades. We don't have pseudotech L right there. That. I don't know. As far as I don't know any capabilities. What is PSPY? See if anything else is running on it? We could. You never know. Alright, see if anything else is running on this guy. Or actively. Curl Sound Tech I-127 FTP client status check. Okay. That's something new. Couldn't find anything. So we ran PSPY, which shows running processes. Okay, so we found this guy right here, right? I'm going to highlight him. So when I look at my notes later on, it's not like, well, did we not know that he was running or something like that, you know? He's running silently. Let's go ahead and CD into opt FTP client. There's also looks like they're sending mail too. Okay. Okay. So we should be able to mess with FTP client.py, right? Open file in Ruby. Or do we have to mess with... No, because we have Python, don't we? Yep, we have Python, so we can mess with, what is it, the freaking FTP lib. We did this before. We did this the other day, DZ. You told me how to do this, and I think I have the notes. Okay, so we can, so it's importing FTP lib.py, or yeah, it should be FTP lib.py, right? Is that what it should be? And that's in the, I mean, we have the Python 2.7. What are no, yeah, no, pretty much Oreo, because I think it was either yourself or DZ. We messed with Python stuff the other day, and I forgot exactly what we did, but I remember it's going to be something like this. It was something like this. And it was changing out, I think he actually sent me a link too. Okay, now we just need to find FTP lib, right? Good. Good, that's good. All right, it's got to be in the Python 2.7 folder somewhere. So let's go ahead and just CD into, what is that? That was Etsy, right? Python 2.7. Grep for FTP. Good. Okay, we're getting somewhere so far. That's not good. We should be able to find a lib.py, right? Oh no, because it's in CD into user library. There we go. Let's go. Okay, so now we should be able to mess with that to be able to call back for the operating system, right? But I don't remember. God, he even told me the name it was too. Stretch. You know what? That's actually pretty good. That's not a bad idea. Okay, he even told me what the name of it was also. It was like, it was you were trying to do a weird form of path hijacking Python. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. That's what we're doing. But, oh God. we did it just the other day on a box, on a Try Hack Me box. If I was in a test link right now, I would have and hydrate. Let's go. All right. If I was in a test link right now, I was just looking at my YouTube videos and just watch that and just oh yeah, there it is. But let me see here. We did a yeah, no, pretty much. But we did a Python library hijack. Whoops. We don't need that anymore. See? Told you we did it the other day. Okay. I think we did. Did we do something like that? Yeah, don't make a copy and paste. Why would we ever do that? I think we just add that OS system in there, though. I think that's all we did. Then we said like a who am I or something. So let's go ahead and nano ftp lib.py. And it's already importing the OS. Is there anything in here like OS system or anything like that? Try, blah, blah. Can I just throw it at like the bottom? This thing's doing a lot of shit here, huh? Holy shit, fuck. Okay. Can I just like throw it down at like the very bottom, or should I just like delete this whole thing? No, this, but I don't remember. Yes. Can we just do like a... Or should I just throw it at the very top? Should probably throw it at the very top, huh? Just like... Let's see how this guy had it. OS system, who am I? Just straight up. Is there any OS system on here? Okay. No. Can I just do it like that? I don't know. I'm not good with Python. OS dot system also, so I should probably actually type in the right thing, huh? Damn it. I was really hoping there's already one in there. Can I just make a little like... Can I just do some crap like this? I feel like I can't, but you know. Now, can we just run that FTP client? Damn. Are you in the God group? Yes, I am. I'm in the God group like right now. How'd you know? Have you done this one? Or are you doing it with me? Yeah, I am in the God group. We checked that and everything. I just suck with programming, so, you know. This is a huge thing like right here. How are we going to do this? Can we just delete the whole thing and just make our own? Well, let's go ahead and move FTP lib to FTP lib 1. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do a nano FTP lib.py. We'll do that. And we'll do an import OS. Or actually, we want to do a import OS. And then we'll do a, what was it, os.system. Is it equals? Is that what it is? No, os.system. Who am I? Hades. It worked. Let's go! I backed up the file. Calm down. We backed it up. Import OS was already on there, I believe. So if I did a nano for FTP1, I believe import OS was already... Oh, it's not. I thought it was already... Oh, it's on the other one. That's why. Yeah, import OS is already on here. So I should have probably put it like right here, huh? But whatever, that's okay. He said, no, back up the file. I backed it up. Calm down. If I was in a test I would have, I would just have fucking just went for it. All right, let's go ahead and cat FTP now. Let's do that. Then we'll just do something like this. Okay, and now what we should tend to be able to do is call for like a reverse shell, and then is it just going to run? Because if I do a who am I, I'm still Hades or whatever. So if I do that, right, because I'm running it, so obviously there's some type of something happening, you know, some type of cron job happening. So let's go ahead and do a bash reverse shell, I guess. We just run something like this, right? 10, 0, 0, 30. Let's see if that works. We'll just go run that file again and see if I actually get a callback over here. No, I did not. Okay, so that did not work like right there. It's a good try though. It was a great try. Can we make it so it... Got no idea. Bin bash. Can we do a change mode for like find or something like that? So can we do something like bash bin bash that change mode plus S for bin find? That's what it should be, right? Bin find, not user bin find. That's a good idea. I should do a Python ref shell. That's a much better idea. But I don't know if it's running on a cron job yet also. Oh, there's no bin find. Okay. Is it user bin find? I think it's actually a user bin find, isn't it? Okay, can we do something like that where we just change it so that it just... So that's user bin find. Crap, I already forgot what that file name was. Poops McGee. Damn, I was really hoping to be red. Or at least have a plus S over here or something. I was really hoping to be red or have like a plus S or something like that. I feel like I should. Bash taxi. Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. I'm just throwing shit at the wall and see if it's sticking, huh? I'm getting tired, you can tell. Bash taxi, change mode plus S usually been fine, huh? Yeah. I'm just throwing shit at the wall like right now, huh? See if it sticks. Huh? Try to give it the full file path, maybe? Missing operand. Am I? Oh, I gotta put it fucking after bin. I have to put it. Right here? No. No. No, 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 no. Right here? Right there? OS system, bash taxi. That guy, right? Boom. No. Doesn't make any sense. Why not just use change mode, bin bash, and then bash it? Because that's too easy, Oreo. We gotta try to do something else. You're missing the boom boom on the inside of your boom boom. Oh, you're talking about that boom boom on the inside of your boom boom, and then the boom boom. How can you not access user bin find? You 100% can. You fucking lying sack of shit. User bin find. Okay. You're right, Oreo. You're right. You're right, no nothing. You're right. Okay, I see how we're going to play this game. All right. I see how we're going to play this game. What do we have that we could change? the hell is that? Why is that there? Yeah, I should just be able to do slash. Gotta wait for root to run that script. I don't think root's running it though. I don't think he is. That's the thing. Like, I don't think root is actually. Maybe. I mean, maybe he is. I don't know. Maybe he is. I mean, he ran everything else so far, right? Hey, let's go! Thank you for the help, guys. Thank you very much for the help. Grab that like right there. Boom, because we did get that who am I. Now we got that. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Yeah, he was running it because obviously the other thing was changing, huh? Yeah. No, he was. I'm just getting 3 in a row is starting to get me. 3 in a row without doing anything with Windows is starting to get me. That's what the problem is. 3 in a row without actually, you know, messing with Windows and stuff like that. It's getting me. All right, cool. That one is finished. So another one down. Another one bites the dust. Let's go ahead and